In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Swingarm Spools for a Suzuki GSXR 600 or 750. These are generally good to have on your bike if you want to use a motorcycle rear wheel stand to lift your tire off the ground. So the ones that we're going to be installing today are from MZS. So let's first open the box and see what we have inside. So it comes with a full installation kit, which includes 2 screws, spacers, washers, and of course the spools themselves. So before putting in the screw, we want to first make sure we put in the spacer, but I want to show you why that's important. If you don't include the spacer and you just put the bolt in there, you're going to wind up with a lot of extra threads sticking out once you get it mounted, and this just doesn't look good. So make sure you add that spacer, then add the bolt, and on the other side, put a washer. Now you're ready to attach it to the bike. The bolt should turn pretty easily, so you can do most of it by hand tightening, and then for the final touches you'll want to use a tool. This one calls for a 6mm hex tool or Allen wrench, so just tighten it up. Make sure you don't over tighten because you don't want to strip the threads, but just get it nice and snug. So now this spool is attached, it looks nice and clean, and there's no thread sticking out on the other side. Now we just need to repeat the process for the other side. Add the spacer, then add the bolt, and put the washer on there. And now we attach it to the bike. Just start off by hand tightening. Then you use your hex tool or Allen wrench to tighten it the rest of the way. Get it nice and snug, but be sure to not over tighten. And that completes the Swingarm spool installation on this Suzuki GSXR 600. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.